Tax season is finally in the rearview mirror. You've spent the last few months deep in the trenches, successfully minimizing client tax liabilities and protecting their bottom line. Take a breath, you earned it. But as the dust settles on this year's filings, a structural shift is happening across your client roster that no tax planning can fix. Right now, 1 in 5 Mainers is over the age of 65. That means a massive block of your business owner clients are rapidly approaching retirement age. This demographic wave guarantees a historic volume of business ownership transitions is imminent. And the reality is, most of those owners are not ready for it. This chart shows the harsh financial reality of small business ownership. According to MassMutual, 65% of business owners have less than $500,000 saved outside of their company. They are entirely reliant on the future sale of their business to fund their retirement, which leads to a familiar nightmare for accounting firms. An unprepared client decides to sell, but their books are strictly optimized to appease the IRS. You've done exactly what they hired you to do, legally engineer lean profits to save them money on their taxes. But to an unguided buyer, those exact same lean profit margins look like a failing business. Without intervention, the exact financial strategy you used to protect your client's wealth yesterday will accidentally cannibalize their final market valuation tomorrow. That's where Transworld Business Advisors of Maine steps in. We act as an extension of your firm's professional standards, bringing 45 years of transaction experience right to the local market. We solve the valuation gap through a process called recasting. We collaborate directly with you to identify every valid owner add-back, personal expense, and non-operational cost buried in the ledger. This chart breaks down the translation. We take the low tax profit and securely stack legitimate add-backs and owner compensation on top, revealing the true market value. We then back that valuation up with real-world market comps, ensuring the adjusted price holds up to intense bank scrutiny. We act as the translator, bridging the gap between IRS compliance and maximum exit value. We also know what happens to your firm when a client tries to sell a business on their own. You get dragged into dozens of unbilled hours, fielding endless questions from unqualified buyers. Transworld acts as your shield. We manage the secure data room and heavily vet the financial capability of every single interested party. That vetting process is completed long before any tire kicker gets anywhere near your client's sensitive tax returns. This strict confidentiality protects the business itself. It prevents employees from panicking and stops competitors from using the sale to sabotage your client's market share. By absorbing the chaotic, time-consuming marketing phase, we protect your billable hours and preserve the client's operational stability. A successful business exit requires a specialized ecosystem. The first leg is you, the CPA, handling tax structuring and basis. The second is the attorney, managing legal risk. The third is Transworld. We create buyer competition and project manage the deal to prevent analysis paralysis. We are offering a complimentary value assessment for one of your top business owner clients, giving you a precise baseline for their future estate planning. Keeping these businesses open and thriving is essential for your firm's continued success, and it is vital for Maine's overall economic health and workforce. Let's schedule a brief meeting to see how our practices align. Reach out today to build that ecosystem.